value. So we have a question number 8. Write the following number in expand form. What is expand form? You now write the part of combination of a numbers where its place value. The place value, the name of number and the place value of combination is now. The part of place value number combination is known as a expand form. What is called a expand form. The name of place value of a expand value of place value of a number is called a expand form. You have a B, question number 8, part B, 403075. How you write a expand form? First you know about the place value. So how you know the place value? You have follow the place value chart of the digits. 5 is 1, 7 is 10, 0 is 100, 3 is 1000, 0 is 10,000 and 4 is 400,000. According to the place value chart, follow this place value chart. The value is 4 is 400,000. The value is 4 is 400,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 0 plus 3,000 plus 0 because the value of 100 is 0. The value of 10 is 70 and the value of 1 is 5. This of the combination of the part is called the expand form, and you have put the addition sign after the one value. For example, you have a first value is 400,000. You write 400,000 plus the value of 10,000 is 0, 0 plus 3,000 plus 100 value plus 10's value and plus 1's value. This form is called the expand form. You know that if you have the combine this part, it's make a short form. So the short form is the combination of the parts of place of this expand form. The combination of parts of expand form. Next term is 7, 5, 1, 2, 8, 4, 7. To follow the place value chart, value of 7 is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and 1 million. Follow to this place value chart, 7 is 7 million. 7 is 7 million. 5 is 500,000. 5 is 500,000. 1 is 10,000. 2 is 2,000. 8 is a 800. 4 is a 40 and 7 is a 1. You also will write that 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So when you have write this place value, you also be easy to know about this number value, place value of that number. 7 is 7 million, 5 is 500,000, 1 is 10,000, 2 is 2,000, 8 is 800, 4 is 10 and 7 is 1. So this form is help to make the expand form, and expand form is the combination of the parts of numbers. Then in the question number 9, arrange the following in the ascending order. You know that what is the ascending order? From the greatest to smallest. From greatest to smallest. बड़े से छोटे की तरफ जाने को हम क्या कहते हैं? Descending orders कहते हैं. Descending order, greatest to smallest. So look at this value 9,609 million 600,000 300 6,298 9,600,000 30,928. Next term is 9,600,000 13,829. So all of these, the biggest value, the greatest value is 9,600,000 30,000 928. Next term is 13,000 9,600,000 13,829. And the last term is 9,600,000 3,298. So when you have arranged your order, ascending order, you have go to greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest, बड़े से छोटे की तरफ. Next